Here's a 2017 Mazda 6. This midsize sedan has a sporty soul, and you'll find the bond between you and it happens in an instant. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated bucket seats, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and integrated navigation system. Edmunds.com highlights its smooth and responsive powertrain, quick acceleration, excellent fuel economy, sporty handling, well-built interior with top-quality materials, and stylish looks. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Worcester Road.